Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cryptocurrency investments with Coinbase step by step clearly. Create a Coinbase account by visiting their website and signing up. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Complete the identity verification process by uploading a valid government-issued ID. Set up two-factor authentication for added security. Once logged in, navigate to the Buy Crypto section on the homepage. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase from the available options. Enter the amount you want to invest in your chosen cryptocurrency. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or debit card. Review the transaction details and confirm your purchase. After completing your purchase, go to the Portfolio section to view your holdings. If you want to hold your cryptocurrency, you can store it in your Coinbase wallet. For more advanced management, consider transferring your assets to a personal wallet for added security. Explore the Earn section to discover ways to earn cryptocurrency through educational programs. Stay updated with market trends by using the Coinbase app or website to track your investments. Make informed decisions based on market analysis and your investment strategy. Regularly review your portfolio and adjust your investments as needed. Be mindful of the fees associated with trading on Coinbase. Familiarize yourself with tax obligations related to cryptocurrency in your jurisdiction. Always conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.